And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why you don't buy a Jeep. Oopsie. Yeah, that barrier wasn't going to move at all. It's still in one place, the barrier. That's what the concern is about the barrier. So, there you go. The Jeep's a little bit messed up. We won't be driving that home. At least it's good at this. It's good at the back. Just the plates have disappeared. And the airbag hasn't gone off, so that's good, isn't it? A Jeep. They're the number one shittiest fucking cars in the world. The barrier's safe, that's the main thing. And the kangaroos love it. And what they'll do, they'll leave that car here, being a Jeep, and then it'll just rot into the natural environment here. It'll just break down naturally. And there you go. Right near our joint. And don't be like a fucking idiot like me. I wondered if those electric fences were working. And guess what? They fucking work, and they zapped me, the motherfuckers. But yeah, there you go. Just an update on me Jeep. It's fucked. So no airbag off though, so that's the main thing. And the barrier is safe. Well, this we can just sort of put that back on, if you know what I mean. We can, like, if I place that back on, that'd be good. So it's a 2023 Jeep, and I fucked it. But the barrier is safe. Just reiterating that, the barrier is safe. As you can see, she was brand new. And if I just put that back on like that, would you notice? Like, kind of like that. No, it's not going to work, is it? So I thought I just thought I'd bring it home and no one would notice. But yeah, I don't know if I won't be able to buff that out, no matter what I do. So yeah, I can get all these little bits and pieces back. It should be fine. But like I said, it'll just rot back into the environment here. We'll leave it and it'll be gone. So, there you go. See you later, YouTube.